In this video, we'll show you which Google Ads campaign your store should be running right now. We'll break it into 3 scenarios based on where your store is today. Find the one that matches you, and that's your answer.
Alright guys, so which campaign type should you start with? Let me break it down into 3 scenarios. What I need you to do is find out which one best suits your store right now, and that's your answer. Scenario 1, you're just starting out, so you basically have low conversions and a limited budget. Go with standard shopping. And look, it doesn't matter what you're selling, start here. Because right now you need to learn which products convert, which search terms bring in buyers, what your actual CPA looks like. Standard shopping gives you that clearly, so you can see exactly what's working and go from there. Okay, let's move to scenario 2. You have consistent conversions, at least 50 per month, and your shopping campaigns are profitable. Now you start testing PMax. But I recommend starting with a feed-only PMax, not a fully built one. Feed-only PMax runs on shopping and display. No creative assets needed. It's kind of like a lower-risk way to see if Performance Max can make extra sales alongside standard shopping. We have a video that goes into it in depth, plus the step-by-step setup. I'll leave a link to it down below. At this point, your account has gathered a lot of data from running a shopping campaign. And so have you. So bring what you've learned into PMax. Use your best converting audiences as your audience signal. Add your top performing search terms as search themes. And by now you'll also have the time and budget to get your creative assets ready. Good lifestyle photos, videos. You'll also need to choose your bidding strategy and optimize your campaign properly. But we cover all of this in the free Google Shopping course, so just follow it step by step. Right now, the most important thing is that you have a clear framework and strategy for how to approach this. Okay, scenario 3. You've leveled up and now you're running both. This is where most established accounts land eventually. As long as both campaigns are profitable, keep running both and scale what's working. PMax tends to perform better with more budget. So once it's proven itself, lean more budget towards it. Now, there's a lot more depth to this. And honestly, going through it step by step would make this video an hour long. I really want to make sure that you're getting everything you need to generate sales and profits from this. So we cover all of it in the advanced modules of the course. How the 2 campaigns interact, how to use one as a feeder for the other, advanced budget split strategies, how to read the data and act on it. Once you have the campaigns running and data to work with, that's where we go next. For now, your job is to get to scenario 2. And if you want help from a team that's taken stores just like yours to 6 and 7 figures, with a proven system, no wasted budget, and full transparency on what's happening at every step, book a strategy call with my team, link is down below. We'll look at your store and show you exactly how we'll scale it for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Make sure to check out our other videos. This one here might be especially useful for you.